Here are tips to boost your Shopify or e-commerce store success rate. This tip helped me get my store from $10 in revenue to over $100,000 in revenue. 1. Increase customer retention through email marketing. One of the best and most effective ways to grow a business quickly is to build an email list. Chances are that visitors to your site won't buy on the first visit. That means you need to get them to come back later, and the best way to do that is by getting them on an email list. Once you capture leads, you need to regularly send emails that contain offers and helpful information to entice them to return to your shop and make a purchase. Clearly, that means you need to have a lead magnet. Why else would people subscribe to your list? And with a lead magnet comes the necessity for a sales funnel, which we will cover in number 2. The biggest reason to build an email list is that once you've collected a certain number of leads, you can drive traffic to your store at will, without relying on ads or social media. The email list becomes your extra sales channel. If you have 10,000 leads on your list, you can send out an email and, depending on open and click rates, get as many as 500 to 3,000 targeted visitors to a particular offer almost instantly. To get potential customers to opt into your email list, you can offer a coupon or create a compelling offer. Don't be the store owner who fails to include sales or bundles. If none of your products are on sale or discount, people may lack the motivation to buy your product. However, if you present the right product with the right deal, you'll be more likely to convert them. You can include this offer as a banner in your content and as a pop-up that appears when a person is about to leave your store. In this category, we also have bundle offers, which are one of the best-kept dropshipping secrets. When creating a bundle deal, focus on selling more of the same product. For example, if you sell men's shaving products, your bundle would include a shaving cream, beard grower, or similar product. If people love the product, they'll want more of it. The hard part is convincing your customer to pull out his or her credit card, but once it's out, upsell, upsell, upsell. 2. Build a sales funnel. If you don't have a sales funnel, you're making a big mistake. Sales funnels can help to automate your business. It helps you to scale by growing quickly and easily. There's some front-end work involved. But once those processes are in place, it's smooth sailing from there. Every sales funnel needs to be carefully conceptualized before it's created. Consider the different funnels first and foremost. Whether it's a free plus shipping offer or a high-ticket coaching funnel, it's important to build your automated selling machine to quickly scale and grow your business. 3. Licensing. Doing licensing deals is a great way to grow your business without too much added effort. If you have a product that you can license to others and share a revenue of, that's an ideal way to grow quickly. Taking a popular or successful product and bringing it to a company with a large footprint can help you achieve market saturation quicker. 4. Focus on customer loyalty. It's a lot easier to retain customers than to attract new ones. So, make sure your business practices include strategies that make your current customers feel valued so they'll be more likely to make additional purchases with you. Loyalty programs are great ways to increase sales. It costs up to 3 times more money to acquire new customers than it does to sell something to an existing customer. Other resources pin this number anywhere from 4 to 10 times more. However, any way that you slice it, acquiring new customers is expensive. You can build customer loyalty by 1. Focusing on the quality of your service. People remember when they have a positive experience making a purchase online and will be ready to buy again even if your price is a bit higher than your competitors. 2. Offer bonuses to your most loyal clients. When people directly benefit from shopping with you, they are more likely to buy again and again. 3. Communicate with your clients. Develop an email marketing strategy to offer clients a friendly reminder about your products and services. In relation to this, you can stand out when selling the same products as everyone else. One of the best ways is to offer great customer service. Offering refunds and responding to customer inquiries is important, but it doesn't really separate you from many of the big brands out there. Joke around with your customers. Write them thank you cards if they order from your store multiple times. Run monthly giveaways exclusive to customers who've ordered from you in the past. Do whatever it takes to make each customer feel valued and appreciated. If it weren't for them, you wouldn't become a success. Start these customer appreciation habits from your very first sale. Customers might not always remember what they bought from your website, but they'll always remember how you treated them. Each day, you'll need to process orders so that products arrive to your customers promptly. You'll also need to respond to customer inquiries within 24 hours, ideally less, so that customers can depend on you. Marketing efforts will also need to take place each day. You can automate your social media posting at the beginning of the week. However, you should aim to be active on social media daily. You'll also want to make sure that your ads are always running. Social media is important to a dropshipping business, but it is not the only channel you should be active on. Spend time researching video marketing and be part of events where attendees are your target audience. Maybe you can identify a segment of an influencer's audience who would benefit from a product so a partnership can be created. 5. Have a presentable website. Make sure your website is customer-friendly. By that I mean your website shouldn't scare off a customer. Many new store owners start marketing their stores when their homepage is missing images, has placeholder text, and all of their products are lumped together in one big category. Before launching your store, take a look at other websites in your niche. What their homepage looks like. What types of pages does their website have? Which features or apps does the store include on their website? After taking notes about the look and layout of different stores in your niche, browse through the Shopify App Store to find apps that allow you to model your store after other successful brands. You might include countdown timers, shoppable Instagram galleries, or affiliate programs. You can also add pages to your website, such as refund policies. 6. Create trust with your customers. Today's consumers expect a little personality from the businesses they shop with online. They're looking for a bit of trustworthiness to soften potentially impersonal transactions. As a Shopify dropshipper, one way to address this need is to create a blog. A blog not only builds trust, but also boosts your search rankings as well. So, add a blog to your online store and consistently add valuable content. Providing high-quality, targeted content for prospective customers establishes online sellers as industry experts and builds trust. Blog content boosts Google rankings and allows e-commerce stores to become more discoverable. In addition, including your blog as part of your email marketing strategy will increase opens and click-through rates because your prospective customers will receive interesting content and not feel that they are being sold to. Connecting with my ideal customers through blog content and establishing myself as an authority within my niche has been a key component to my dropshipping success. 7. Leverage global platforms. If you are selling products, you can increase your target audience by using Amazon's FBA service. If you are in the business of selling services, why not use Upwork, Freelance.com, or People Per Hour? If you are in the business of renting vacation homes, you can leverage Airbnb, Invited Home, HomeAway, or other global platforms. In short, find a platform that's reached saturation and use it to grow your business quickly.